Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Better safe than sorry. BCCI bans the use of mobile phones in dressing room following Swapnil Asnodkar controversy. Letters sent to all associations. Mickey says will leave NCP, fight from Nuvem on his party ticket. Congress NCP round 2 coalition talks to begin on Monday. King Khan to open IFFI, Singham of Tollywood, Surya to attend concluding ceremony, confirms director of IFFI Shankar Mohan, says past IFFIs not up to the mark. Zuari Bridge pillar crack episode exposes Goa traffic police. Police say interceptor not functioning. Can't monitor speed limit on the bridge. Sawmill at Vere gutted in fire, loss of wood and machinery worth 40 lakhs. Now the news in detail. The BCCI has banned players using mobile phones in the dressing room during all domestic matches. The board has taken a serious view of the Swapnil Asnodkar controversy in the Goa vs Maharashtra Ranji Trophy match. It is seen as a precautionary measure to guard against the shadow of match fixing. In international cricket, the use of mobile phones is banned. The letter was dispatched to all state associations by the board secretary Sanjay Jagdale on Friday.
Swapnil Asnodkar took a unilateral call to declare Goa's second innings against Maharashtra last Sunday. While many around Swapnil argue this decision has gathered way too much controversy, BCCI are in no mood to take any chances. While GCA claim a full-fledged investigation under progress, BCCI have passed a major decision based on the flow of events that took place last Sunday. Prudent contacted BCCI's head of operations Ratnakar Shetty. This is what Shetty told Prudent over the phone. Yes, it is in fact true. We, BCCI, have issued a circulation to all state associations banning the use of mobile phones in the dressing room. The letter further says, the use of mobile phones by players and support staff is strictly prohibited during the course of the match. It is the responsibility of the manager of the team to collect the mobiles and keep it safe once the team enters the dressing rooms, and the same will be handed only after close of play. Only the manager of the team is permitted to use the mobile phone for official purposes. However, this decision from BCCI is not solely based on Swapnil's declaration call. In fact, not too long ago in an Under-19 Vinu Mankar Trophy match, former India Quick and ICC match referee Javagal Srinath was upset over the use of mobile phones by not only players but team officials as well. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Benauli MLA Mickky has hit out at the NCP, saying he will resign from NCP in the coming few days. Mickky has reacted sharply to the statement of Bharti Chauhan. He says he too is considering to fight polls through his own party and not NCP. Meanwhile, Congress has geared up for its Padayatra starting on Monday. Second round of talks on coalition between Congress and NCP are expected to commence on the same day.
The tussle between Mickky and NCP is at its peak. Mickey Pacheco has hit back at NCP. NCP Goa desk in charge Bharti Chauhan had stated that they have not shortlisted Mickey's name for upcoming assembly poll. NCP is aware about Mickey's political plans. He has decided to form his own party. Now, Mickky too has reacted sharply to the statement of Bharti Chauhan. He says he will contest from Nuvem and his candidates will contest from all 40 constituencies.
I will contest on my own party ticket as and when I form, and I will certainly contest in Nuvem. This is my specific. People been misguided that I am going to Kortali, I am going to go Benauli. I have candidate in Benauli also, my own candidate. I have candidate in Kortali also. I will contest in Nuvem.
On the other hand, NCP has started pre-poll campaign. Party is organizing meetings across the state. On Saturday, it held its youth convention in Mapsa. NCP state leaders and National Youth President Rajiv Kumar Jha was also present at the youth convention. Later on Sunday, Rajiv Kumar Jha in a press briefing said that they will demand 50% seats for youth in forthcoming poll. NCP is hoping to contest 12 seats in coalition with the Congress.
और युवा नेतृत्व को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा विकसित करने की उनकी दृष्टि रही है, पवार साहब की दृष्टि रही है। राष्ट्रवादी युवा कांग्रेस का तनवीर खतीब और जो इनकी टीम है, सभी साथी मिलकर के इस बात को तय करेंगे और तय करके प्रदेश नेतृत्व से डिस्कशन करके जो सुयोग्य और जो मजबूत उम्मीदवार होंगे उनके लिए हम लोग बहुत मजबूती के साथ मांग ही नहीं रखेंगे, उनको मौका भी देंगे।
Meanwhile, Congress is all set to undertake Goa Mukti Lok Samruddhi Yatra from Monday. Congress Goa Desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar, AICC Secretary P. Sudhakar Reddy, Subhash Shirodkar, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and other Congress leaders will take part in this Padayatra. Congress says this Padayatra is to commemorate Golden Jubilee of Goa's liberation. But political experts feel this yatra is to counter L.K. Advani's Jan Chetna Yatra. Brar and Reddy and state Congress leaders will also hold second round of coalition talks with NCP on Monday. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Zuari Bridge crack episode has exposed Goa traffic police. Traffic police can't monitor the vehicle speed on the Zuari Bridge. They say traffic interceptor is not functioning. Zuari Bridge is in a very bad state as its pillars have developed cracks. Hence, the PWD has imposed speed limit of 30 km per hour for traffic over the bridge. But the monitoring agency, traffic police, say they are helpless. Watch this report.
Zuari Bridge, a major link between North and South Goa, is moving in a danger zone. The pillars have developed cracks. As a safety measure, PWD has recommended speed limit of 30 km per hour for vehicles running over the bridge. Traffic police were asked to enforce the measures, but their reply to the PWD from police is shocking. In a reply to PWD's letter dated on 20 July 2011, Police Inspector Traffic Cell Vasco informed PWD that speed guns of the interceptor vehicle are out of order since last 1 year. This letter was sent to both offices after the inspection of the Zuari Bridge in July 2011. PWD had also informed South Goa District Collector about the safety measures. Inspection report is of the opinion that pillar number 5 is very critical and that 8 new cracks have been developed. Report also mentions that 1 crack is developed in pillar number 3. Report has also opined that a new bridge should be constructed without any further delay. The project of the alternate bridge over Zuari Bridge has stuck in red tapeism for the past many years. The existing Zuari Bridge is losing its life. Lakhs of commuters travelling across are at risk. But who cares? Our reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai.
IFFI management has done a balancing act. Bollywood will open and Tollywood will close the IFFI. Shah Rukh Khan will open the IFFI and Southern star Singham fame Surya will grace the concluding ceremony of 42nd edition of IFFI in Goa. Director of IFFI Shankar Mohan spoke to us in detail on IFFI. Shankar Mohan says infrastructure was not up to the mark for IFFI in the past 7 years. He has pledged to make Goa IFFI a mecca of film festivals.
But I am of the personal view that IFFI should be definitely global. It should definitely have an international standing at par with any international film festival in the world.
Where are we lacking right now?
I feel if we can get the kind of infrastructure that we are looking at, you know, in the next few years, if we can get it, Goa will be the mecca of the East in terms of film festival.
So Shah Rukh has confirmed to.
He will be the chief guest.
And what about the concluding ceremony?
The Tamil actor Surya is going to be.
Oh, Surya is the will be there for the conclusion. Yeah. Is this an attempt to pacify and balance Bollywood and Tollywood?
So we need to take a pan-India view. We can't be focusing on one particular industry. So we need to see it in a very holistic manner. We are looking at the Indian film industry. So if that means that you have to take everybody with you, so be it. And I said earlier, I hope and wish that the festival, the International Film Festival of India, is seen as the mecca of the East, so far as film lovers and film professionals are concerned. And they find this venue to be, one of the best places where they can come, visit, see people, meet people, do networking and watch some of the most brilliant films.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.